Hey everybody, it's time to talk weather once again. I'm recording this around 8:40 in the evening on Thursday, the 27th of May. We've got rain falling across portions of the area now, which we needed. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about cool weather to start the weekend. Even going to show you a map of wind chill. That's right, wind chill on Saturday morning. And then we'll talk longer term, what we're looking at as far as rainfall, map positions, and temperatures. Even have the long-range outlook for you week by week to take you through the month of June. So a lot going on. We'll get started though with this little stat for you. The first 27 days of May have been 2.4 degrees above normal. However, we're going to end May with some pretty chilly weather, so it's going to pull those numbers back down a little bit, but so far we are running above average. I also wanted to show you this. Yes, we need the rain that we're getting. Drought monitor came out today. This is based on information through Tuesday morning. Much of the valley, everybody shaded in yellow, is what we call abnormally dry. So yes, rain is needed. We got some, and we've got more in the longer range forecast. Wanted to show you the dew points. When the dew points are in the 60s, more moisture in the air, feels a bit muggy. As the dew points go lower, the air is drier but also cooler. So I'm just going to kind of put this in motion and watch what happens with these dew point numbers. They start dropping off during the day Friday, and really as we get into Saturday, the air is going to be really dry. When we're talking dew points Saturday evening in the low 40s, I mean it's going to be cool. It's going to be very cool, but the air is going to be very dry also as we head for the holiday weekend. Let's talk about the wind. Right now the winds are coming in from the south, but there's a front moving in, so these winds will change. And so by Friday afternoon at 4, we've got a pretty stout wind out of the northwest in the 15 to 20 mile per hour range, and that's going to add a bit of a chill as it starts turning cooler. And then as we get into the day on Saturday, notice by 4 o'clock we still have a northeast wind in the maybe 15 mile per hour range, and I'm going to come back to that. Now this is Saturday during the afternoon. So we still got a pretty good breeze, but I wanted to show you this interesting stat here. That's right, it is almost June, and we call it the Feels Like Index, but these will actually be wind chills out there as we get into early Saturday morning. So this is at 7 a.m. Saturday morning, the start of the holiday weekend. In places like Greencastle, Champaign, Paris, it may feel like it's in the upper 30s. Yep, that's right, wind chill. Even down to the south, 44, 45, anywhere from about Flora, Olney, Vincennes, and Washington. So there's going to be a chill. There is no doubt going to be a chill in the air Friday night and Saturday morning, and that chill will stay with us even into the day on Saturday as well. Okay, let's go back and talk about precip. We've got some rain moving through the area tonight. There'll be some lingering showers spin around behind that during the day Friday. They shouldn't be too significant, but still some showers. Most all of that finally tapers off out of the area by Friday evening, Friday night. There's early Saturday morning at 3:30 in the morning, so it's pretty much gone. And then Saturday, we may have a tough time shaking the clouds till later in the day. And remember, it's going to be cool, but again, most rain should be over by later Friday, and then dry weather as we start the weekend. So let's talk longer term now on our map positions. This is the Sunday map, big dome of high pressure right over this area and off to the north. That means for us, dry weather, a little cooler. This is the map for Monday, Memorial Day. High pressure still keeps us dry. As it moves off to the east, though, we start to warm up a little bit. This is the map for next Tuesday, probably still staying dry courtesy of high pressure, at least until later in the day, but you'll see that storm off to the west, the low pressure. So as we get into Wednesday, that low pressure now moves in with a warm front. This increases our chances of rain as we head for Wednesday. Now that's the Wednesday map. Here's the Thursday map. Notice very little change. So we have rain chances coming back in the picture once we get into probably late Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, and we can show you that here. Here's the rainfall forecast. We'll get through this quick. This is 7 p. Friday to 7 p. Saturday. We're pretty much done. By 7 p.m. on Friday, pretty much done. This is 7 p. Saturday to 7 p. Sunday. No rain here, but you can see the storm to the west. This is now 7 p. Sunday to 7 p. Monday. Nothing here, so we're good through the holiday weekend, but a lot of rain in the Plain States. Now we're at 7 p. Monday to 7 p. Tuesday. And that's why I think it's going to be probably later in the day Tuesday. We start to see a little rain get in here. This is now 7 p. Tuesday to 7 p. Wednesday. A little better chance. The front kind of stalls out, and then we see better chances as we get into 7 p. Wednesday to 7 p. Thursday. So the chances of rain will be increasing as we head through next week, but almost a daily chance anytime from Tuesday afternoon right through the end of next week. So here's our 7-day forecast. A few showers on Friday. 68, and temperatures may fall some in the afternoon. The high temperature is only 64 on Saturday. I mean, it's 13 degrees below normal. 71 Sunday, and then 74 for the holiday on Monday. And then we have those scattered showers in there on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But at least high temperatures back closer to where they should be. Okay, 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day outlooks. This is June 2 to June 6. We show temperatures near normal here. It's going to be warm, as a matter of fact, very warm in the west and below normal in the southern plains because remember I showed you all the rain. So where there's rain, it's going to be cool in Texas, Oklahoma, places like that. This is now the precipitation during that same time period, June 2 to 6, where it's hot, it's going to be dry in the west, and we show us with probably a little bit above normal on the precip. This is 8 to 14 day. Now the warmth starts to spread out, and so we start warming up. After the first few days of June, we should start to warm back up. It stays below normal in temperatures in the southern plains because there's still going to be some leftover moisture in the ground. We also are looking at above normal temperature or precipitation here, and when we get into June 4 to June 10. So it looks like decent amounts of rain will fall in the coming days. Okay, last I'm going to show you what's called the European weeklies. This goes week by week. This is just going to be temperatures we're looking at. This is week 1, which goes all the way out to the end of next week, which would be June 4. Obviously cool. Obviously it's going to be cool here. Then this is week 2, which goes out to June 11. We're warming back up. Here is week 3. This goes out now to June 18. We stay with a little bit above normal. And now we go out to June 25. Again, warmer than normal, and you can see the cool continues to hold in the southern plains. And now this is the last one. This goes all the way out actually to a Friday, July 2nd. We stay on the warm side. Much of the country actually does. So the cooler air looks like it's going to be to the south. So we get through the first few days to a week of June with the cool weather, and we should be warming back up. And it also still looks like some timely rains, which we need, moving through the area. We got some coming in Friday now, a break for the weekend, and then more coming in later next week, and also very, very cool. As a matter of fact, one last note. The forecast low temperature in Indianapolis for Saturday night, Sunday morning, getting into race day, right now is about 44 degrees. If it hits 44 degrees Sunday morning for Indianapolis for race day, this would be the coolest start to race day in 50 years in Indianapolis since 1971. The forecast high, by the way, in Indy is around 70 with sunshine, so definitely looks like a cool, dry, and sunny race in Indianapolis this year.